Yesterday, I visited my friend Mary, and she told me the most incredible bad luck story. The last week was her graduation, and she had been dreaming about this day for months. She bought a beautiful dress, cut her hair, and she went to her grandmother's house to show her the dress. On her way to the house, a car splashed my friend. Unfortunately, her dress was completely wet. She went to the dry cleaning. Sadly, they were shutting down. She thought that she could clean and dry her dress. When Mary was ironing her dress, the phone started to ring. She answered it and forgot what she was doing. When she remembered, her dress was burned. Her beautiful dress was ruined. My friend took another dress from her closet and went to the party. She didn't want to miss her graduation. When she came to the place, it was dark, and she never saw a glass door in front of the room. She crashed into the glass. When some people came to help her, they asked why she was there. Because the party would be the following day. Moreover, she had confused the graduation date. In the end, Mary has had the most terrible day of her life and 5 stitches in her forehead.